In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix McDonald's app not showing cart, back missing, store switch, and app reset. Fix 1. Refresh the cart and app screen. Cart loading issue may occur due to the temporary glitches. On an iPhone, refresh the cart by pulling down on the screen. On an Android, tap the refresh icon to reload the cart.
Fix to check your internet connection. Poor connection can be issue for the cart loading. You just have to toggle off your Wi-Fi and then you have to turn on. Or you can switch the Wi-Fi to your mobile data and attempt to load it again. Fix 3 is log out and log back in. For that, you have to open the McDonald's app, then move to the More tab at the right corner. Bottom right corner, just click on that. And here you have to look for option called My Account. And here you can see a option called Log Out or Sign Out. In my case, I don't have any account in my McDonald's app, so I don't have that option sign in sign out, so you just have to click on that and sign it out. Once that is done, you have to sign in back in and refresh your account data.
Fix 4. Update the app. First of all, you have to open the Play Store or Apple App Store on your device, then search for option called McDonald's. Then, if any update button is available, you just have to tap on it and update it.
Fix 5. Clear app cache and data. For that, you have to open the your device settings, then move to the app section, then click on manage apps. Then here you have to look for McDonald's. Click on that and click on storage. And here you can see a clear cache. Just click on that, or you can just clear the data too. Once that is done, just close this. Or you can move to the fix 6, that is uninstall and reinstall the app. For that, you have to move to the McDonald app, then hold and press it. Then here you can see a uninstall option. Just click on it and uninstall it. Once that is done, you just have to reinstall it by using the Play Store and sign it to your account, and you have to try to add the item to your cart again. So this will also help you to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching.